Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Math Makes World. So today we are going to discuss about problems on ages lesson 3 on average ages. This is a very most important topic in age problems because maximum number of times the problems are asked in these average problems. So before that we have to know the basics of average. If you are having a father and mother ages average will be 50 years, then you have to write father age and mother age sum and dividing with 2. That means the total number of their given years and the number of persons we have to divide, which will be equal to 50. And if they given father, mother, son their years, if they given father, mother, son ages, you have to take the average as f plus m plus s by 3. That means how many numbers are given, how many persons are given, you have to add the all ages and divide with the number of the persons. It will give the average age of the given problem. So now we will go through the problems. So first one, family of the average age of father and mother is 35 years. They given that father and mother age average. So two persons are there. So we have to divide with 2. Will give 35 years. Okay. So now f plus m will become 70 years. And next, the average age of the father, mother and their only son. Average of father, mother and son will be f plus m plus s by 3 is given that 27 years, which will give us f plus m plus s equal to 81. But we know f plus m value is 70. So 70 plus s is equal to 81. So the son age will be 11 years. Here they asked what is the age of the son. Age of son is 11 years. I will go the next one. So if you see the second one, 5 years ago, they are ago nothing but it is a past tense. 5 years ago, the average age of A, B, C, D, 4 persons was 45 years. And with E joining them now nothing but it is past. That means they are saying that in past and present, the average age of all the 5 is 49 years. We have to find out the E old. We have to find out the age of the E. So now 5 years ago, that means ago nothing but it will be past. Past nothing but we have to subtract minus 5. In past, the persons are only 4, A, B, C and D. We will get A plus B plus C plus D. 4 persons, so by 4 equal to 45. So it will give 9. So it will give 180. And with A joining them, now means they are talking present. So in present, the average of all 5 nothing but along with E. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E by 5 will given as 49 years. So A, B, C and D, E will give 245. If you see here, maximum students will do mistakes. Here we have A plus D up to A plus. Here we have A plus B plus C plus D equal to 180. So they substitute this 180 here. But it is present. It is past. So you cannot subtract these two candidates. So now we have to convert this past into present situation. So if you see past, if you see in present, if it is 10 years, in past it will be 10 minus 5. So but we are having here A plus B plus C D as 180. That means in past it will less minus 5. That means if we go through the present, then every person will add plus 5. After 5 years, we will say from past if we are going to present, we have to add the plus 5. If you see for each A5, B5, C5, D5, if we add, total will give us 20. That means 180 plus 20 will give A plus B plus C plus D equal to 180 plus 20 gives you 1200. So now it is in present situation. So if these two are in present situation, by subtracting you will get E equal to 45 years. So like this problems, if you are given present and past or present and future, then you have to check when you are subtracting the equations, you have to check that when you are subtracting the equations, you have to check that whether the two given equations are in present or in future or in past. Then only you have to subtract. But here it is in past tense. But here it is in present tense. So you can't calculate from these two. So maximum students do mistake at this level. So be care of that point. Now we will see another problems. So now we will see another problem. The average age of a husband and wife who were married 4 years ago. Ago means they are talking about past tense, and their average age husband and wife will be 25 years. That means husband wife will be 50 years. So now 4 years ago nothing but from present they are 4 years ago. The average age of the family consisting of husband, wife and child born during the interval is 20 years. Today means present they are saying. So husband, wife and child average is 20. So when husband, wife, child will be 60 years. But if you see this one, this is about present and this is about past. So we should not subtract these two because it is in present and it is in past. So we have to convert this one into present situation. So from past, if we are going to present, we have to add plus 4. So for husband we will add 4 and for wife we will add 4. So total we have to add 8. So husband and wife will give 58. This is converted into present age. Now we are ready to subtract these both. So by subtracting, child age will be 2 years. So the age of the child is 2 years. Now we will see one more problem. So now we will see another problem. Average age of 6 sons of a family is 8 years. Here we are having 6 sons average as 8 years and average age of son together with their parents. So we have 6 sons and parents will be 2, total 8. 8 persons average is 22 years. Second point. And third point, if the father is older than the mother by 8 years, we have to find out the age of the mother. So here they are not asking about present, past or future. Just they given a data which will first consider mother age will be X and father age is given as 8 years older than the mother. So father age will be X plus 8. And first point, average age of 6 sons. So 6 sons, 6 persons average will be divided with 6 gives us 8. So 6 sons average equal to 48 years. Now we will see the next one. Sons together with their parents. Parents will be 2. So total we will get 8 persons. 8 persons by 8 equal to 22 is given. So 8 persons includes 6 sons plus parents nothing but husband and wife. You can write male or female. This will gives us 176. We know 6 and 6 is 48. So 48 plus m plus f equal to 176. So m plus f gives us 8 to 128. So but mother age is x and father age is x plus 8. So 2x equal to 120, x will be 60. So age of mother is 60 years. I hope now you are ready to attempt the problems on ages in exams. If you like my video, give a like and share to all your surroundings, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Math Makes World. I will be back with new videos with new concepts. Until then, good night.